Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge i-support nothando enikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisupporte njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla. Ayikho into ekhathaza njenge-crime la eSouth Africa bese kuza ama-drugs. Kubuhlungu kabi ukuthi umuntu aqale ibhizinisi bese kuba khona abantu nje abafuna ukuthi bazorobha lo business. Lo muntu basuke bembulele ngaphezulu kokumbulala. Ngoba kunzima kabi ukwakha ibhizinisi izime. Uqasha abacabanga ngisho nabantu abasebenza kuleyo shop mangabe ishop. Babacabangela. Bese kuba abantu besibili abayinkinga kakhulu la emhlabeni. Laba kuthiwa zinkabi. Iyabona nje isibhamu ave siyinkinga. Ngiyangilalele uMC Menzisto kwi-channel yakhe Transformation Live mayikhuluma ngosizi lomuntu ophatha isibhamu. Alifuna wazi futhi ukuthi uma usiphatha uzofa ngaso. Umuntu ophatha isibhamu uma-ke asifaka nje saba senqulwini, ngisho ngayo igwala elingakanani, uvela aphenduka isigora, vele najika angasabi muntu. Iyona nkinga nje sibhekene nayo. Kuneyigebengu bese zuhluphile umphakathi wangapha eNanda. Amaphoyisa ke namhlanje ase-KZN athe maye ayakuzo ngenhloso yokuzibopha zafuna ukulwa back, amaphoyisa azidubula zafa. 5 suspects have been shot dead during a confrontation with KZN police in Besta. The men were wanted for murder, attempted murder and armed robbery. They allegedly opened fire on SAPS members who had arrived to capture them. 4 guns have been recovered so far. Labantu bebevele befuneka for amacala okubulala. Ngakho ke lokho kwenzekile bekungeyona inhloso yamaphoyisa. Amaphoyisa inhloso yabo ukubabopha, kodwa ayikho into abazoyenza uma bona bedubula. Kufuneka ukuthi amaphoyisa aphinisele iso ngeso. Iyasebenza phela lonto le yokuthi iso ngeso. You have to fight fire with fire ukuze izinto zizoqonda. Njengoba ke manje labantu bedutshuliwe, kunomphakathi osuzokwazi ukuphepha. Kukhona umphakathi osuzokwazi ukukhululeka uma ngabe bewubanja inkunzi ngalezi bhamu lezi ezitholakele. Namhlanje lo mphakathi usuzokhululeka ngoba akasekho umuntu osezowuhlukumeza.
5 suspects have been killed in a shootout with police at Besta in Inanda, north of Durban. And speaking earlier here on Morning Live, the KZN police spokesperson, Robert Nechunda, said that police had been hunting these criminals who have been terrorizing the area.
Police have been searching for these suspects for the longest of time. They were looking for suspects who were committing cases of murder, murder and house robberies in the area. And the next incident happened at the end of October 2025 when they shot at police officers. So when police got information of their whereabouts, we came to the Besta area 10, where when announced that we are police, suspects shot, 5 shots rather from the door, and police had to retaliate. During that shootout, 5 suspects were shot and fatally wounded, and so far 4 firearms have been recovered. As police, we have strengthened our operations in the area of Inanda, because Inanda was once known to be a murder capital. And as police, we could not sit and relax. We had to put up teams that will police the area. And yes, we effect many arrests a day. But those few criminals who challenge the police by shooting at them, they're the ones who come second best, like this one. Yesterday as well, there were 2 more who were shot and fatally wounded in a similar operation. But 5 were arrested of the same group. So if you don't challenge the police, the aim is to arrest. But if you fight police with guns, police also have guns, and they cannot die with their guns on their waist or on their hands. They will shoot back. And whenever it's a shootout between police and suspects.
Khulumela amaphoyisa ke KwaZulu-Natal usechazile futhi washo lento ebengisho ukuthi inhloso yamaphoyisa bekungekhona ukuyobadubula. Inhloso yamaphoyisa nanoma kuphi bekuyobabopha. Uzuyaveza ukuthi bakhona nabanye abasolwa abababophile abayingxenye yabo lapho. kodwa laba bakhethe bona ukuthi ngcono badubule amaphoyisa. Yingakho ke amaphoyisa zathatha lesinqumo sokuthi no, awadubule back ngoba aphephisa impilo zawo. Ngiyakhumbula ngelinye ilanga uGeneral Mkhwanazi eSokhosini, angeke ngiyifake ivideo yakhona la. Bethi kungani labantu abadubulana amaphoyisa ningababoni bedutshulwa iy'nyawo. Wathi yazi uma ngabe isigebengu sikhipha isibhamu, njengephoyisa une-second lokudecide ukuthi funeka wenze njani. I-second. And for okunye futhi efuna singakukhohlwa, amaphoyisa aphathi ibhamu ey'ncane. Amaphoyisa aphathi ibhamu ey'ncane. Iy'gebengu y'phatha iy'nhlokohlela zey'bhamu. Ama-AK-47 ney'bhamu ezingavumelekile ukuthi zibe khona ziphathwa zigebengu. Ehluko ukuthi amaphoyisa atrainiwe for ukudubula. Yingakho eba-accurate mayidubula iy'gebengu. A notorious suspect wanted for cash van robberies and several hits has been killed in a shootout with KZN police in Gauteng. The 49-year-old was located in Ladysmith and tracked to the neighboring provinces during the early hours of this morning. This comes after recent shooting of KZN municipal official. A gunfight broke out when police confronted the alleged hitman to get him to pull off. He eventually crashed the car at high speed after a chase. No officers were injured. A gun has been recovered at the scene. Ukuze simqonde kahle lo muntu odutshulwe ngamaphoyisa, nansi profile ngaye. Between June 2024 and this week, suspect Zweli Zwehudla was linked to at least 9 serious cases in KZN and Gauteng. This includes an incident on Monday where the Newcastle Municipal Senior Executive Director of Cooperative Service was ambushed. He and 2 bodyguards were shot and wounded. Hudla had previously been found guilty of attempted murder, defeating the ends of justice, and possession of unlicensed firearm. He's also been found not guilty in 3 other matters, which include murder and hijacking, while another was withdrawn. In October 2024, Hudla and his accomplices brazenly opened fire on members of the DPCI provincial tracking team, which was following lead on cash van heist in Gingendlovu. They were lucky to escape the ambush. Hudla's last known address was in Soweto. Amaphoyisa umeqala esetholile umkhondo wakhe uHudla, bewazi ukuthi adila nomuntu onjani. Bekufuneka mayifika kuye afika alindele noma yini. Ingakho bethi uthe bethi bazama ukumvimba ebaleka wayesekhipha isibhamu, base bebona no, ayike futhi into abangayenza ngoba usewake wadubula amaphoyisa ngaphambilini. Ngiyafisa ngathi amaphoyisa ngapha ko-Western Cape angake asebenzise le approach yamaphoyisa ase-KZN ukuthi wadubula nje bakushaya ufe, ngoba lento yamageng nokudubulana ekhona lapha mhlambe soyibona iphela. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi mabe ngasenza same approach, ngoba ukuboshwa kwabo labantu ngathi akubi namthelela, kodwa manje sekufuneka basenze le approach yase-KZN. They must learn from the playbook yase-KZN ukuthi kwenziwa kanjani. Gcina ngake ngalaba kukhona nabanye ababili futhi abadibane nenkinga efanayo, ngicela uzwe la. 2 murder suspects have been killed in a gun battle with police in Amaoti, Durban. They were being sought by the SAPS Inanda task team for murders and other serious crimes, some as recently as this week. A shootout took place at their hideout in the area a short while ago. 2 guns have been recovered. Once update mayelana nawo lamadoda adutshulwe ngamaphoyisa. These suspects were linked to the murder of 2 people and the attempted murder of 2 more in Ezimangweni, Inanda. On Tuesday night, 5 of their accomplices were firstly arrested for the shooting and were found in possession of 1 real and 1 fake gun. Police officers then followed the trail that led them to the 2 outstanding suspects in Amaoti. The SAPS says the gang was known for terrorizing the communities of Amaoti, Phoenix, and Mzomusha.
These people have been committing crimes for some time now. Also been looking for them for some time. And they mainly operate in Inanda, Phoenix, and surrounding areas. They terrorize this area. And we believe that with these 5, we have broken the stronghold of this criminal gang. Because we know who we're looking for, we heard their identities. And when we finally came in here, we found that these are the people we're looking for. The concern is that they do have guns. And as long as we still have got guns in the communities, nobody has a gun and is a criminal, has a gun for fun. They have guns to kill, guns to hijack, and guns to rob others. So the concern is that if you can look at the area where we are, the house is so close to other houses. So if police did not neutralize the threat, maybe bullets which were flying could have hit somebody else who was sleeping in the nearby houses. And you also saw how hard it is to access this area. You can't come here via a vehicle, you need to walk up the slope. So they chose this area because they can see whoever is coming. And then if it's police, they can escape easily.
Were these all the people you were looking for, the suspects that you were looking for, or are there still more suspects on the run that you are still in the trace for?
It is difficult to determine the exact number of a criminal gang. There could be these 5 or there could be more. What we do as police, what we do know is that the ones that are here are the ones we are looking for. But we don't know if they operate only the 5 of them, or if they've got more members. So what we do, we check evidence which we have here and continue searching. And if we investigate that there are more who are linked, we'll go for them as well.
Thank you very much. That was Robert Nechunda, the spokesperson of the police here in KwaZulu-Natal. There are people that have gathered around here after the shooting, and my colleague here, Sibusiso, is going to just show us some of the angry community members, because talking to some of them believe the people that have been gunned down here are innocent. That is what has gotten them angry and, venting out their frustrations. We heard a son earlier who said one of the deceased people is his father, and he did not believe that he was involved in the activities that he's accused of committing those criminal activities. But yes, as you can see, a lot of people are angered.
Khala kabuhlungu yena umama usho khona ukuthi uyazazi yena iy'ngane zakhe. Shuthi iy'ngane zakhe lokhu amaphoyisa athi bewazifunela khona ukubulala nokuterrorize umphakathi akulona iqiniso ngokusho kukamama. Kodwa amaphoyisa wona aqinisekisa ukuthi bongeke abasukele nje avela azosukela bona bodwa. And labantu kuthiwa la endaweni sebehluphe kakhulu. Kujwayelekile-ke ukuthi abantu abahlupha umphakathi baziwe ngabantu abahlala emphakathini, kodwa kungakhuluma umuntu ukuthi nampa abantu abahlupha umphakathi. Into isimo esiphila phansi kwaso. Okunye futhi okwenzekayo, angikaze mina, angisho mina ukuthi umama usunephutha namayithi uyazazi iy'ngane zakhe. Uyazi futhi ukuthi azikaze zibulale umuntu, amaphoyisa azisukele. Njengoba ethi niyoze nimbone nje lo mkhwanazi. Usho ukuthi inhloso yakhe bewukubulala, kodwa into enhle akekho yena umkhwanazi la. Akekho umuntu engimaziyo mina, akekho. Noma ngathiwa umuntu wakubo ube sebabulela abantu, umuntu wakubo ube inkabe eyaziwayo, ngoba khona phela abantu abazi inkabe ezaziwayo. Kodwa akekho umuntu engake ngambona mina ethi awu ya umfowethu ufele emsebenzini wakhe. Bonke bahlale bebeka amaphoyisa ephutheni. Akekho nje wake wathi hayi yabona ke lana hayi lo muntu lona ubevele kwenza lokho amaphoyisa athi ayakwenza. Akekho noyedwa. Futhi esikhathini esiningi uma ngabe kwenzekile kwabanje umuntu waboshwa bese kuthiwa kufuneka imali ukuze lo muntu aphume ejele, mhlawumbe icase iyamokolwa ukuze akwazi ukuthi lo muntu lo aphume ejele. Abazali bemazi kahle ukuthi ubenzile ubugebengu noma uyisigebengu, bangaphuma baye komavuvuka beyofuna imali ezalayo ukuze bekwazi ukukhipha ingane yabo lapho ejele. Isimo esiphila phansi kwaso. Isimo esiphila phansi kwaso leso. Yebo ke isizwe lisithi asikho esindlebende kwabo. Asikho. So angisho mina ukuthi amaphoyisa adubula abantu aba-wrong. Cha, angikusho lokho. Angisho futhi ukuthi amaphoyisa adubula abantu aba-right. Kodwa amaphoyisa ngokwawo. Labantu ababadubulile bebevele bebafuna futhi labantu badubule kuqala bedubula amaphoyisa. Kwafuneka ukuthi amaphoyisa a-respond. Ngakho-ke bona ngokwabo bezivikela kubantu vele abayingozi asebazi ukuthi vele bawuhlukumezile umphakathi. Ngaphambi kokuba ngifake le video ngikufundela iprofile ukuthi lama suspects asolakala nakuphi futhi. Kodwa ke kuhlezi kunje. Ngiyakhumbula kwakwadutshulwa abanye abafana babe no 17 years. Wayemncane wena 15. Bedutshulwa amaphoyisa. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi early December noma ngoNovember. Khona futhi khona eKZN kodwa kweminye imikhukhu. Angazi noma bathi kuseMpumalanga na indawo yakhona. Kodwa iseKZN. Abathi mase bedubulekile bavela bomndeni bathi no lo mfana lona ubesengasagangi ubesesukile kulabangani yena ubengasesingxenye yabangani laba baze bamthutha bona wayohlala kwenye indawo kodwa uzibuza ukuthi utholakala endaweni esigameko nabo labangani nithi nina namthuthela bona kodwa bona ngesingabo babethi lo muntu usuke ekhaya eya kwenye indawo wayesebona labangani wabona sekulate wabona ngcona alale lapha hayi ngoba beyingxenye yobugebengu. Ngisho ukuthi ke into ezinjalo ezenzakalayo ngoba esikhathini esiningi abantu abagangayo siyabazi emphakathini kodwa angikhumbuli mhlambe wena ungangitshela mangabe uyazi angikhumbuli mina kuthiwa kufika amaphoyisa afuna lo muntu bese befika bomndeni bathi ayimpela yena uyakwenza lokho amaphoyisa amfunela khona ikakhulukazi mase sesifika esigamekweni esinje sokubulala sokuthi abulawe ngamaphoyisa. Ngiyakhumbula ukuthi kwake kwashona igang leader yama gang kwakuthiwa iWest Gang. Kukhona bomndeni ababemkhulumela uthiwa hayi lo muntu niyamsuka kodwa kube kushiwo ukuthiwa hey ile gang ayisiphilisi kahle. So ngizama ukuthi kuzo zonke izinto ezikhulunywayo angisho umuntu mama usephutheni angisho umuntu amaphoyisa right kodwa angikaze mhlambe wena kuwe uyakwazi lokho. Siyazi amaphoyisa alenza iphutha. Amaphoyisa amdubula umuntu wrong. Amaphoyisa ayawenza nawo amaphutha. Ngeke ke sime ngasesayidini lamaphoyisa sithi hayi lo muntu vele ubeyilokho amaphoyisa akushona. Kodwa sikushoyo sikhuluma ngereality. Kodwa nje iqinisweni lilonke abantu abaterrorize umphakathi nabaganga emphakathi. Nabantu abaganga kude abangaganga emphakathini abahlala kuwo. Kodwa abaganga kude siyabazi ukuthi labo bayaganga. Ngoba abanye abantu bakhona emphakathini mabebuya nezinto abazebile but babuye bathengisele nina bona labantu uphiwe ukuthi ngoba akayithathanga la ikhona ne justification engcono kuthiwa hayi ngoba utshontshe belungweni hayi akubukeki kuyicala elingako ngoba utshontshe belungweni. Angisho mina ukuthi uyicala na angishongo kodwa nje ngithi ezinye zezizathu esishoyo thina kuthi awusibani uyaziwa ukuthi uyaganga kodwa akagangi ganga lesilungwini kubukeka kuyinto enhle ukuganga kwakhe kodwa eganga esilungwini ya kodwa nami ngingamsupport amayigangela abelungu ya nami ngingamsupport noma ke ngeke ngize ngiyithenge into eyebiwe ngoba ukuthenga nje into eyebiwe kuyicala ngiyakwazi lokho mina nawe kasidibane kwivideo elandelayo.